How to create a MEXC account. Creating a MEXC account takes about 2 minutes. In this video, I'll walk you through every single step right now live on screen. We'll go through sign up, verification, and security setup. So let's get into it. Now before we start, make sure to use the link in the description to sign up with MEXC. It gets you the best welcome bonus currently available. Just enter the code when you register and it will be applied. MEXC has 2,700 plus coins, some of the lowest fees in the market, and over 40 million users worldwide. So make sure to use the link in the description. And now let's get towards creating your account. So go ahead and open the link in the description. It takes you directly to the MEXC sign up page. With the bonus already attached, you'll land on the registration screen. And you've got two options here, either sign up with your email address or your phone number. Either works fine. I'm just going to use my email. Enter your email, then create your password. Make it strong, add in uppercase, lowercase, and at least one number and one symbol. MEXC will show you a strength indicator as you type, so you'll know when it's good enough. Once that's in, you'll see a checkbox to agree to the terms of service. Tick that and then hit create account. MEXC will immediately send a verification code to your email. Go to your inbox, grab that 6-digit code, come back and enter it on the screen, and that's it. Your account is created. The whole thing takes under 2 minutes. Now let's talk KYC, identity verification. You don't have to do this immediately, but I'd recommend getting it out of the way now before you deposit anything. Why does it matter? Without KYC, your withdrawal limits are capped, and some features on the platform are restricted. Once you're verified, everything opens up. To find it, click on the profile icon here at the top, then move over to the left and go over to identification. Here you can see that mine is verified. Now for you, you will see 2 levels. The basic KYC asks for your name, date of birth, and country. It's usually approved within a few minutes, and it gets you most of what you need for everyday trading. The advanced KYC goes a step further. You'll upload a government-issued ID and complete a quick selfie verification. This unlocks the highest withdrawal limits and full platform access. Approval typically takes anywhere from 5 to 30 minutes. I'd recommend completing both while you're setting things up. It's a one-time thing and it saves you from hitting limits at the worst possible moment. Security setup. Last step and arguably the most important one is security. Go over here to your profile again and select security. This takes about 5 minutes and it protects your entire account, so don't skip it. First of all, you have the Google 2-factor authentication. Follow the steps to link it to your authenticator app. You'll scan a QR code and enter a confirmation code to activate it. From this point forward, every login and withdrawal requires that one-time code, and this is your most important layer of protection. Second, your anti-phishing code. Still in the security settings, look for the anti-phishing code option. So scroll down all the way to advanced security, and here you have anti-phishing code. You set a unique phrase, something only you would know, and from that point on, every genuine email from MEXC will include that phrase. If you ever get an email claiming to be from MEXC without your phrase in it, it's fake. Simple but very effective. Third, the withdrawal whitelist. This is optional, but if you're planning to keep a significant balance on the platform, I'd strongly recommend enabling it. Scroll down and here it is. It means withdrawals can only go to wallet addresses you've pre-approved. Even if someone got into your account, they couldn't send your funds anywhere new without additional verification. So take 5 minutes to set all of this up now. It's not exciting, but it's the difference between a secure account and a nightmare scenario. And that is everything. Your account is created, verified, and secured. And that is everything. Your account is created, verified, and secured. If this was helpful, subscribe for more videos like this, and I will see you in the next video.